So we were in a really rough windstorm last night. The whole boat, like all night, was just completely on its side with no sails up. Still pretty bad right now, but this is nothing compared to last night. We broke a ton of lines. They just started snapping that were going up to the mast, holding the sail bag and all sorts of stuff. Our dinghy, it flipped over in the middle of the night. We tried to retie it a ton of times, and the wind was so strong it just kept flipping over. It flipped over with all of our stuff in it. The engine, the gas, stay. The engine, the gas, go, stay. All of our shoes. Yeah. So the engine's flooded now, and all of our life jackets and shoes and everything we've lost. And all the lines are broken. It's a rough night, and it looks like we're not going to be able to avoid it tonight either. It's supposed to just come through again tonight, like right across the mud, across Greece. It's a huge windstorm. Coming in from the north, so yeah, I don't know. We're just trying to get the dinghy, find out if there's any way we can get the dinghy engine drained, and hopefully be able to dinghy to shore for Lenny. So we can go to the bathroom, but oh my gosh, it's been a rough night, and it's not looking like it's gonna be stopping anytime soon. Searching the shoreline for all of our lost stuff from this morning. We got the dinghy going, got the water out of it, water out of the engine, but we found our tarp. Oh, what's that? Is that something? No.
I did an oil change on it.
Yeah.
Car. Wash it, fresh water, oil the rest of the engine.
Anyway, I'm hoping we at least find the dog's life jacket, because that's gonna be really hard to get another dog life jacket here. Look at those two boats over there. They dragged the anchor in the middle of the night and smashed together last night. The catamaran and the monohull stuck together. Brutal. Oh wait, keep going. There's something over there. No, there was something floating right there. No, it looks like what thing. Look. You see what I'm talking about, right?
The front edge looks strong,
Oh my gosh, Austin literally just found his 2 sandals, camouflage sandals.
I cannot believe it.
On the shore. Like one was way over there and the other one was right here. We've been walking the shoreline for like an hour, driving it, walking it. We actually found both of his sandals. That's his, and they're camouflage.
Oh wait.
I gotta take my necklace off.
Why?
It could.
No, it's not.
Yeah.